How's it going, my friend? Eric Ellis Jr. here with EricEllisJr.com, and in this video I'm going to show you the easiest way to make $100 a day, and more importantly, how you can start applying these steps today to start getting results and generating some money. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so let's get right into it. Now, the first step to generating $100 a day. Now, first and foremost, if you don't know who I am, my name is Eric Ellis Jr. I came from the 9-to-5 corporate slavery, right? And ended up literally going into entrepreneurship, crushing it, but not liking it because I was spending so much time to where I wanted time, location, and financial freedom. So I stumbled across digital entrepreneurship and then started crushing that, which brings me here today. So there's many ways that you can make $100 per day, but in this particular video, I'm gonna show you how to make it online. Why? Because at the end of the day, cool, you can make a lot of money, but what's the point of making all that money if you can't enjoy it, right? Making digital profits gives you time and location freedom. Now here's the thing, there is multiple ways, right? But I'm gonna go ahead and give you the best way that I feel fit, right? Now, first and foremost, the first step number one, is finding a product to sell. Right? You need something to sell, right? Now, there's two types of things. You can make money online selling a service, right? And simply put, you can find some sort of service that you're good at, right? Whether it's Facebook ads, whether it's social media management, whatever it is, right? You find enough clients, and once you find enough clients, if you're at $3,000 per month in residual retainer from your clients, that's at $100 per day. That's easy, right? But we're not talking about that, right? In this specific video, I want to go ahead and tell you guys about a business model that literally any beginner who's trying to make money online can start with. Now, here's the thing. You can do e-commerce or drop shipping. I'm pretty sure you've seen a plethora, I think that's my favorite word nowadays, right? A plethora of videos talking about drop shipping. Drop shipping is simply when you don't own anything, right? And let's just say you go to Alibaba, and with Alibaba, you go ahead and find an item that's selling for $5, and you see that people are buying it for $25, so you get it in front of people, then there's a $20 spread, right? It's simply you buy it low, right? You sell it high with that spread, or excuse me, not with that spread, but with the person's purchase or their money, you actually buy the item, you ship it to them, you take the spread. Now, that is a great business model. The only dilemma is that when it comes to drop shipping, it's been very popular nowadays, but it's hard to scale because you have to deal with the fulfillment. What does that mean? You simply have to deal with fulfilling all those orders, right? You have to type in all the details, everything of that nature. However, if you don't do it yourself, you eventually have to scale and hire employees to do that for you. Now, the only problem, again, is that, as a beginner, it's going to be hard to scale a business and to actually make real income if you have to do all that extra work. Now, in this video, I'm going to make it very quick and to the point. My method of choice is called affiliate marketing. Now, that's what I've done to build my digital empire. Now, the most awesome part about affiliate marketing is that you don't have to own a product, number one. Number two is you don't have to deal with the fulfillment. So all you do is find buyer, find item, find buyer, and see what they're looking for. It's called a target audience, right? You get that item in front of that buyer. What happens is these affiliate companies give you an affiliate link, and with that affiliate link, you promote it, right? You get it in front of these buyers, they buy it from you, you get paid a commission. Now what's pretty cool is when they buy it, the company fulfills the orders. They're already fulfilling a ridiculous amount of orders. You're just bringing more revenue to their company, so they're gonna go ahead and pay you a piece of the pie, right? So simply all you have to do, just like if you were looking for a $20 spread with e-commerce, instead of fulfilling all the orders, you could find an item, let's just say $40, a digital product, and you're selling it for a 50% commission. For each buyer you get to make a purchase, and you don't have to deal with the fulfillment, you don't have to bring any additional employees on, they're gonna pay you $20 in commissions, 5 of those per day. You're gonna go ahead and get paid $100 per day, which is $3,000 a month. Now, what's pretty cool is there are low ticket, mid ticket, and high ticket within affiliate marketing. So there are products that you can sell at high ticket. Yes, they don't sell as fast, but you generate a lot more money doing so. So let's just say you were to go ahead and generate, $750 per week by generating 2 sales. Let's just say you're doing high ticket items, and those items are, let's just say $750 items, and they're paying out a 50% commission. What's going to happen is you're going to generate $750 per week by 2 sales, right? You work less hard, make more money. That's what the rich do. And what you're going to do next is simply $750 a week. That's $3,000 a month. That's $100 a day. Do the math, right? So with that being said, all you have to do is find these affiliate products to promote that you don't own, get people in front of it, and once you get people in front of it, once they make a purchase from your link, you're gonna get paid fat commissions. Now, what I love about affiliate marketing, if you want to learn how to become a digital marketer, it is the best entry point and entry level. I sell my own digital products, right? But what happens is, instead of tying your name to it, your brand, and everything of that nature, if you F up on a product and you don't know how to sell it, right, it's bad for your brand, it's bad for your name. If you F up with an affiliate product, right, you can fail, and then eventually you'll learn how to sell things online to where you can transition into becoming a digital marketer or an internet marketer and sell your own products. So learn how to sell somebody else's first. Even if you have a niche, right, let's just say health and wellness, and that's what you want to sell your own products, right, you know a lot of knowledge, right? Start pushing affiliate products first, and then once you've learned and mastered how to do that, then you can get into the internet marketing space. Build your own brand, build your own product line, and freaking crush it online. So very quick and to the point video, right? There's a plethora of options. Like I said, you can create service-based income. You could do e-commerce. You can do affiliate marketing. It's all depending on what you want to do. Do more research, do more due diligence, right? But again, mine is affiliate marketing. That's my method of choice. And so you don't have to do more research. I got a gift for you. It's called Affiliates Playbook. It's a book. You can go to affiliatesplaybook.com, or you can go down below in the description. It's literally a quick read. It's a free book. It's 13 pages, but it'll literally give you the fundamentals of the steps that you need to take to actually crush it as an affiliate marketer. So that way you can start generating $100 per day. And for those who want to take it above and beyond, I actually have a course called Jumpstart Affiliate, right? That you can actually go ahead and purchase by clicking below or going to jumpstartaffiliate.com. Now it's literally going to teach you everything you need to know, right? Read that book, learn the fundamentals, and then you're going to see that there's a little bit behind learning that, right? Which you can find all that information step by step in Jumpstart Affiliate, right? Shameless plug down below, or jumpstartaffiliate.com. Grab access to that. But $100 per day is very simple. Find a product in any type of niche or a service, but I prefer affiliate marketing. If you leverage affiliate marketing, simply generate enough sales to generate $100 per day. It doesn't get more easier than that, my friend. But make sure to smash that like button to show your boy some love. I know I'm handsome, so show your boy some love. And number 2, drop a comment below if you like this. Drop a comment below if you don't like my glasses, if you think I'm ugly. If you want more insight or more information on affiliate marketing, feel free, right? And last but not least, join the family, right? If you want me to help you live a life of time, location, and financial freedom, join the family by smashing that subscribe button. Again, I appreciate you, I care for you, and Eric Ellis Jr. checking out.